Hi, my name's Gary Mcvay. I'm a captain here at West Pierce Fire and Rescue in the training division. We're here today to assist the Pacific Northwest Four-Wheel Drive Association with some traditional fire extinguisher training and a new fire extinguisher that is out called the Element that we're all interested to see how it works. So we're going to do some trials with these and videotape them to be able to share them with the rest of the association and any other clubs that are involved. Okay, today we're going to go ahead and start with introducing the standard fire extinguisher, as those are the most common that you'll see in businesses, vehicles, and so on where there's a fire. They're very simple to operate. Simply check the gauge on the front to see that the needle is in the green. That indicates that it's fully charged. Keeping the nozzle away from you and firmly hanging onto the handle, you'll pull the pin from the extinguisher, which releases the handle, therefore being able to squeeze the handle and have the content come out for the fire. We'll demonstrate in a few moments with an actual live fire on the actual use of the fire extinguisher. You squeeze the handle and do a sweeping motion across the base of the fire with the fire extinguisher, which you'll see in the demonstration. The next fire extinguisher that we're all anxious to see how it works is the new Element fire extinguisher out of Italy. Due to its compact size and advertised ability for fire extinguishing, it's going to be exciting to see how it works. Not only is it good for type A fires with combustible material such as trash and cardboard and so on, it's also good for type B flammable liquids, type C, which is the electrical, and type K, which is your grease fires. It is a reminder, though, that although we are assisting with the demonstrations, in no way does this constitute endorsing the Element fire extinguisher. It is just for educational purposes and demonstration for folks to make their own decision on how they want to extinguish their fires. Okay, we're going to unpackage and demonstrate the initial use of the Element fire extinguisher, which is quite a bit different, obviously, by size and build of a regular fire extinguisher. The box contains multiple directions and education on how to utilize the Element fire extinguisher, and also on the actual fire extinguisher if you have it mounted in your vehicle separate from the box. It is as simple as operating as a road flare. You remove the cap on the bottom, remove the cap on the top, light it away from you by striking the red tip to the black tip of the extinguisher, striking away from you. It's a great education for flares also. It's exactly how you do it for a flare if you're using those out on the road for emergency situations. So you basically light it away from you and then aim it directly at the fire using the same sweeping motion at the base of the fire that you would with a regular fire extinguisher. And now we'll go ahead and light some fires and demonstrate the actual use. As you can see with our demonstration, there are multiple pros and cons to both the traditional fire extinguisher and the new Element fire extinguisher out of Italy. We'll discuss many of these points and ways to use both fire extinguishers in a manner in which it keeps everybody safe and hopefully everybody clean. Thanks for watching.